So I've started in on this embellishing an acrylic pour, and I thought, well, let me just finish, doing the rest of it this way on camera so you can see it, and it'll be fast sped. But what I did was I printed out the logo on copy paper, and then I put plastic tape that you tape over boxes, shipping tape, and I covered the front side of the copy paper, cut around all the edges, so that makes it sturdy, so it's not just paper, it makes it more like a stencil. And then I actually go in and scribble with pencil on the back, lay it down on my canvas, and press down really hard with the ballpoint pen and trace out all the lines really hard. You have to do it really hard, especially on a dark background. If you're on a white canvas, you don't have to do it as hard, but because it's on a deep color, you do. And then I came back and went back in with pencil lines and went over it again, and I started painting in the white, and then I have a gold paint pen that I put some outline in, which I'm still going to go over a second time for the finishing touches. But this is a layering up process because you're painting on a darker background, and so you're not starting with the white canvas, so your white has to be like multiple coats. I've got red that I'm going to be putting down. I probably will do multiple coats of that, so it's kind of a lengthy process. But I'm going to, I refer to this just basically for colors. I'm actually going to leave this background see-through. I'm going to paint this in black. This is going to be white with black outlines, and the 49ers is going to be filled in with red and outlined in black and gold, so that will pop because we want this to be kind of the focal point too. But I'm going to leave this part see-through behind the San Francisco logo, so you can follow along with me. It's going to take me a while. It takes lots of patience to do lettering, this kind of thing. It's not a fast process for sure. So you have to find a brush that you're really comfortable with, that does well for you, and you can control it exactly the way you want to. And if you go outside the lines a little bit, that's okay if you're going to outline it with a color anyway, which I am going to do. But already this white has maybe at least 2 coats on that I put on last night, so this is the 3rd coat, and it may even take one more or more after that. So Okay, so there is the logo, and when the painting is a little bit lumpy, it kind of makes it difficult to go over ridges and things sometimes, but it's done, and I'm going to let it dry for probably at least 24 hours and then put a clear coat on it and get it to its owner. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell in the bottom right. Down there, look at my dirty finger. And you'll get notifications when I post new videos. And check out all the links below the video where it says show more on your laptop or the down arrow on your mobile device. I will see you on your next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.